Shalom, family. Okay, what do you do when you fall off the horse? You get back up, cleanse, and get back on the horse. We're getting ready to do a 3-day juice cleanse. I'll show you how to do it. Follow me. Okay, family. So as you can see, this is 23 apples that we're using to make our organic apple juice for the juice cleanse. As you see, we are cleaning it with sea salt, vinegar, and a little bit of oil of oregano. And we will let it sit for a bit, at least about 30 minutes. And then we'll wash it really nicely before we start preparing for juicing. Okay, family, now I cut my apples up in quarters and then I divide those quarters. You do not have to cut them that small. That is my preference. You do not have to remove the seeds, only the stems. Okay, so this is 23 apples that I am cutting up and prepping for the juicer. Okay, family, these 23 apples will make 104 ounces of juice. Closer to the end of the video, I will put on the screen how many ounces that you need total for a 3-day juice cleanse. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. And also, please help me reach 1,000 subscribers so that I can go live and start doing cooking demonstrations just for you. Those who may be interested in the Nama Juicer, check the link in the description box and look for installment plans at checkout. Okay, family, we've reached the end of the video. In the next days to come, there will be a detailed video on how to complete the 3-day cleanse correctly. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.